Bonnie and Peg the Sister Friends. Today I got a new toy again. Look! I'm just getting back from my dad's house. I stayed at his house for one day. So basically yesterday and today. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I got the Twilight Sparkle, Princess Twilight Sparkle Bowling Cafe. Hold on a minute. Gotta get some scissors.
I mean, I guess it's possible to get stuck in a routine where you're doing all this extra stuff and not realize it. But I can't for the life of me think I have. Why are y'all staring at me like that?
And I got the scissors.
Are you certain everything you just did is entirely necessary to feed the pigs?
What? Of course. Why would I be doing it if it weren't? See, this gate here used to squeak so loud the pigs would run to the other side of the pen and never come out. So I open and close it to let them know it's safe.
But it doesn't squeak anymore.
Of course not. Fix that
It's
ace.
already 1 minute?
Then
I didn't know.
Little rags got them all hustling out of the pen. They don't look scared of me. Well, no, they got used to it. Which is why I started doing the chicken dance. To show them that if they didn't get eating their food, chicken food. Of course,
I might use
being a
this.
chicken, I couldn't very well open the gate. Getting the food bucket to spill into the trough was just a happy accident because one time I left it there by mistake.
Applejack, it seems like everything you're doing is to fix things that aren't really
I'm gonna
problems
be using
anymore.
this.
Oh, baby.
Maybe it isn't so hard to get stuck doing extra work after all.
Huh. I wonder if I've been doing that around here with anything else.
Well, there's only one way to find out.
There. Let me go put these in trash. Right, I'm back. I'm gonna do that. Now, wait, I'm not even sitting in my chair. I could use this, like, I could probably put Willow in here. Make it like that. Okay, yeah. Let me bring it down a little. Twilight, help me! I'm gonna get my pony friends to help. Okay, I got me. Hi guys! And how about Miss Cheerilee with me? Hi every pony. You can just call me Cheerilee.
Absolutely.
Well, let's get to opening Twine.
You certainly are.
Help! Ow, ow, ow. Help me. Don't worry, Twilight, you'll help. Just get your hoof out.
Don't worry, Rainbow Dash. We were looking into the pampering ourselves. Join us.
That is, if you don't mind suffering through one or two fruit-through treatments.
Yeah, I suppose I can take it. You know, for you ponies.
Let's try not to cut her hair off. My little pony. It sounds like that, My Little Pony. Oh, I hate these things. Okay. I'm gonna do this off camera.
You could come have
Okay,
lunch with your
here it
friends,
is.
Fluttershy.
I didn't mean to say off camera. I meant to say off, like, without y'all seeing me do it on my phone.
Things have been so busy
I
with
love
the
her
wonderful
wings.
place.
Don't try to
It's great
like
to
her
get a
wings.
chance
I
to
love her.
relax someplace quiet.
That's exactly what I intend to do now that
I
I'm
might-
retired. In fact, I converted the back house to showcase my cloud collection. I have my clouds, your mom has her flowers, you've got your animals,
Ugh.
and your brother?
What happened to me?
Breeze has his...
I was trapped inside that box until somebody bought me. Fluttershy? Twilight!
He's matured a lot since then.
Actually, it's funny you bring Zephyr up.
Oh no, not again. It's just for a little while, dear, till he gets back on his hopes. Wait.
I'll try and fix her hair.
Guess who's home? That's right, Big Sis.
my favorite little brother. Moi.
I'll try and do her hair later. Might have to make a few changes. Anyway, yeah. So, I guess I'm on camera? Yeah, maybe I'm recording. My wings flap, of course we do. I'm watching My Little Pony lay down. Anyway, yeah, so. Anywho. Oh, hi, Cheerilee. How's the kids going? Good. Hug? Sure. Oh, princess. There's no need for that.
I'm just surprised.
So,
Hand therapy was your calling.
oh, wait, Twilight. Want a drink? This also came with Twilight. Twilight, move out the way. This also came with Twilight.
No offense, but brushing alone won't solve the problem.
I'm gonna try some.
What went wrong?
Nothing went wrong per se. It's just
I'm holding it, guys. Look at me, I'm holding it. Look, I'm holding it. Woohoo, I'm holding it.
And I think they were a little
Yeah. Ooh, I want to try holding it. Okay.
Oh, this is lovely, dear.
Oh my gosh. I'm holding it.
If it isn't the rainbow, best fire that
It's delicious. Hey, that's my drink.
This
Sorry.
good.
Sorry,
Princess.
I shouldn't tease you. I know the whole super awesome flyer bit's just to impress me. Still, thanks for showing up for my homecoming. It's sweet. I kind of thought there'd be more ponies here. I mean, what
I
about your
hate.
party planner
I'm going
friends?
to show you something.
Sprinkle.
I hate my
Turn
brother.
this into a real.
You do know we can hear you, right? But we hate your brother too.
Grab.
I
We have been meaning to redecorate.
Oh, Twilight's book. What's this about? Stargazing?
Remember what this whole
Stargazing? Yep.
Dad, can I talk to you for a second? What is it, honey? I'm not so sure that exactly what that was a good idea.
Look.
You both want to help, but don't you remember last time? Zephyr's just trying to find his place, dear. I know.
Look.
Just seems like his place always ends up being your
Let me go put this in the trash and then we can carry on. I'm back, guys. And Twilight, get up. Ah! Twilight! Whoa! Oh god, it's still rolling. Look at us, guys. We're the team. Get off me. Oh god, sorry, Twilight. My hair. You got me acting like Rarely. Okay. Do you know what peeved means? In pony, it means P-I-S-S-E-D. Don't say peeved around kids. Anyway, yeah, guys. Let's open the next thing. Oh god, it's been 8 minutes already? Let's open the next thing.